Converting photos into stencils is a neat trick to know in a pinch. Photographs you took can be used as a coloring page or even a stencil to paint a picture. Luckily for you, creating stencils is simple, and there are a few different ways to do this. You can use Photoshop, Illustrator, or free stencil creators. Hello, how's it going, viewers? In this video, we'll be going over how to make a stencil from a photograph. How to make a stencil in Photoshop. Photoshop is one of the best photo editing software tools around with endless possibilities. Number 1. Open the image file in Photoshop. Number 2. Where your menu selection is, select Image, Adjustment, Threshold. Once this is done, the photo will become black and white. Number 3. A threshold slider will appear. Drag the slider to see the detail in your photograph change. Drag it until you have minimal detail but enough of the image outline. Number 4. Clean the background of your stencil and use a white paintbrush to erase whatever you do not want showing in your stencil. Keep in mind that the black areas of the image will be removed and painted over. Each detail of the stencil you want to be shown will need to be connected. Fill your white spaces with the black paintbrush tool. Number 5. Go to the menu selection and click on the Filter, Filter Gallery, Artistic, Cutout. This cutout filter will make the lines in your stencil straightened and easier to cut. Step 6. Now you can make adjustments to your stencil. There are a variety of filters or sliders that will alter your stencil. As an example, the Edge Simplicity slider will let you straighten edges. Step number 7. Give your stencil a final look before you print. Make sure everything is connected and ready to go. Nearly there. Step 8. Print your stencil out on heavy cardstock. And of course, lastly, step 9. Remove all black colors from your stencil with an X-ACTO knife or scissors. You should be left with a white stencil. Hopefully this video gave you a general outline to your stencil creating career. Of course, giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel will help us out immensely in creating more unique videos such as this one. Of course, I'm Raph from Beans to Camera, and I'll catch you in our next video.